Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Pi Network. Especially, I will talk about the price of the Pi Network. What is the price prediction? What rumors are saying about the Pi Network price, the Pi Network value in the future. So further, we will talk about a new updates, a new article from the Pi Code team. There is update about the developers, about the domain auction, about the applications. So the whole thing I will cover inside this video. Watch this video, share this video with everyone because this is the main thing I can say. The best article, best update from the Pi Code team. We should know about it. Okay, watch this video and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, Crystal Project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So if we check the coin market cap, you can see the Pi Network, the ranking is 23rd and the price is 0.92. Even the market cap is 6.22 billion and daily volume dropped 38%. So circulating supply is 6.76 million. Sunday, Monday, the whole market was pumping. But Pi Network, the price is moving sideways. There is no any volume. No one is buying Pi coin. What is the reason? Why? You know what? The problem can be because of the Pi Code team. They are not giving any update about the migration, about the 2FA, about the unverified balance, about the exchange listing. There is nothing about the Pi Network, nothing about the listing, nothing about the new developments. But of course, they are uploading article about the new updates. We will check inside this video. Okay, what rumors are talking about the Pi Network price? Crypto analysts predict Pi to hit $13 by April. So what do you think about this? Will Pi Network hit $13 in next month? Somehow I can say not possible. I don't think so. It can be possible because there is no volume. You can see the chart. You can see the candle, a small candle with bearish candle. No volume in here. Everyone is selling their coin. Even no one is purchasing the Pi Network. So might be anything can happen in the crypto market, but I think in the month of April, $13 is somehow not possible. But what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is the new update, a new article in the Pi Network official website. So Pi domain reservation for compliant Pi community applications that completed PiNet migration. On the Pi Day, 14 March 2025, Pi Code team just launched the Pi domain auction. You can auction any Pi Network domain. Even you can bid on the any domain. Even you can purchase any domain. You can create your own domain. Okay. So and then you can see in here, this is the update. This is article about the developers, those who are developing applications inside the ecosystem, those who are creating domain, bidding on the domain, want to purchase any domain. So let's check this article because in here we will get the latest update. Okay, as part of the Pi domain auction process, Pi wants to ensure that compliant Pi community applications that have completed PiNet migration can secure their domains without bidding. So those who completed, those developers, they completed their application PiNet migration. So they don't need to bid in here. Without that, you can get your domain. You can secure your domain. You don't need to bid in here. You don't need to invest your Pi coin. Without that, you can get your Pi domain name. So if your application completed PiNet domain migration, so the integration previously and complies with the ecosystem listing guidelines, your corresponding Pi domain is reserved for you and will not be included in the auction. Okay. It means that those developers, they developed application, they migrated to the PiNet. So now, if you want to purchase any domain for your application, you don't need to bid in here. You don't need to put your domain in the auction because without that, your domain is secure. Your domain will not be transferred to the auction section, will not be included in the auction. No one will get your domain. No one can purchase your domain because the domain will be secure in here. You can use it for your application. Although somehow, or I can say some of the developers or new developers may have missed the initial PiNet migration. So despite multiple communications throughout 2023, 2024, To address this, Pi is offering a grace period until May 28 of eligible Pi applications that are on the ecosystem listing to complete their PiNet integration and secure their Pi domain. Of course, if still your application did not migrate it to the PiNet, of course, you cannot secure your domain. The first thing is to migrate the application in the PiNet, and then you can secure, I can say automatically your domain will be secure for your application. Otherwise, first of all, you need to migrate application inside the PiNet, and then your domain will be secure. So to have your application's Pi domain reserved and removed from the auction, you must fully complete PiNet integration and comply with the ecosystem listing guidelines by May 28. Both requirements must be met before the deadline. Okay, so there are some steps for the developers. The first one is check if your application has already integrated with PiNet. If yes, your domain will be secure. If no, then your domain will not be secure. So you have time of 28 May 2025. Make sure to complete the integration, and then your domain will be secure automatically. This is the first thing. Okay, there are some instructions. Register your PiNet URL. First of all, you need to register your PiNet URL. You can do it inside the PiNet setting. Simply go there, simply generate or register your PiNet URL. The second one is choose display preferences. Whether you want to go with full screen, you want to go with mobile screen, you can do it in here. There are some checkbox. Make sure to check it. And then the third one is understand the appended URL security feature. So the fourth one is confirm URL creation. Make sure to confirm your PiNet URL creation, and then even you can do it inside your dashboard. You can check in here. So further optimize your application for PiNet use. It is best practice for the application to be optimized for PiNet use, and developers should work on updating their user flow in order to give non-Piners the opportunity to experience as much of the application as possible. So this is the new update. This is the latest update about the domain. Those developers, they want to secure the domain for their application. Now you don't need to put it inside the auction. You don't need to bid in here. If you don't need to bid in here, it means that you don't need to invest your Pi. Without that, you can secure your domain. But make sure to integrate with PiNet. Make sure to migrate inside the PiNet. Otherwise, you cannot secure your domain. So this is the latest update about the Pi network. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button to me while I'm high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.